Hey guys, Jeremy here from Speedwerx. Got David Fisher with me here today, talking about a lot of really cool things out in the shop. And today we're going to talk to you about all of our new and exciting performance products that we're working on or that we currently have available for the new 9R Patriot.
All right, guys, some cool things on the table, especially with the 9R stuff. New muffler. Last season, we found out there was some stuff that really wasn't good with the 850 muffler on the 9R. So we went back to the drawing board, tested, found out that these new mufflers, they are trick. So obviously, this will be your loud boy right here. Saves the most weight, knocks off like 10.2 pounds. Within the standard is 8-pound difference from stock.
So really cool things on the mufflers. I think you guys will be real happy with what we got there. Other new stuff and existing stuff that we have going on. We'll talk clutching. So for the P22, we have our new Ripper style and series weights. There's 3 different profiles. There's a full belly, full body profile. There's this medium body, medium tip one. And then there's our lightweight one. 2 of them offer below the belly weight adjustments. They're fully adjustable externally outside of the clutch. I think you guys will be real happy there. Then we have our H5 alloy primary spring and secondary springs. Remember, all of our Speedwerx springs come with a 5-year warranty. We're the only company in the industry offering a warranty on them springs, and we're doing it for 5 years. So you'd be really happy there. Our clutch kits and our helixes, all of our standard cut helixes are our lightweight options. They're about 0.3 pounds lighter than stock. So some really good weight saving options for you there. And we can cut you any angle, any idea, anything you got there. And then also, we normally switch them back to the twin ramp setup with the smaller roller. So really cool, really exciting there. You can see I got some of the new updated primaries here in front of me with the billet spider. And then a new part that has not been released yet, but it'll be coming soon. And they'll come anodized black. But this is one of our P22 billet clutch covers. Some really cool features here. This isn't just your standard lightweight cover. We did a few things to help with what we think is going on with these clutches and stuff too, and just to help with longevity and durability. But the cover itself, we added bushing material, so there's more bushing tied into the post. So when the clutch is shifting up and down through its range, it's tied in better, less chance for it to flex and move and wobble. We run a tighter tolerance on our bushing with the parts being CNC'd and stuff. We can hold way tighter tolerances. And then we tied in these outer towers as well. Again, keep in mind these will come anodized black. They'll look really, really trick. There'll be updated photos and stuff, but we're shooting this video, so I wanted to get you guys as much information as possible. This part is it's 0.05 pounds heavier than stock, but it adds a ton of rigidity and strength, and I think it'll take a lot of the wobble that we think is going on with these pieces as well. So really excited about that part. Venting. This is stuff we had available last year, but there's 4 venting options on the Matrix RMK platform. We got 2 vents to get air in, and then the rest of them are to get air out. And we even have this big one that's up above the clutches, so all that hot air above there can escape. ECU flashes, nothing done yet, but we are in the works. There'll be some stuff available here real early this season. Think you guys are going to be real happy. David, I was talking about clutches, and I talked about I forgot about one of the coolest parts that we offer.
Wow. Clutch puller. Same size. Your standard Torx. I think it's like a 61
T60
or C60. Yeah. Yep. Take it right off. Yeah. No longer having to find a different size Torx. Pull your clutch off. Speedwerx clutch puller. Boom.
Thank you.
Just like that.
Another cool thing we have in the works is are going to be our head kits. Now I know what I'm holding to you guys looks like a stock head. Exactly. That's what we want it to look like. We have our own head casting now, where we're machining out the heads from a raw casting, so we have full control over what's going to be in the chambers and stuff. There'll be some other lightweight features where we're trimming off weight here where we can and machining this knob off and stuff. And they'll be available for the 850, the 9R, and the Boost models with several different compression ratios available for all of them. These heads, these aftermarket heads, should retail like at $299. So for less than $300, you can get a performance head. And for you guys that are riding high elevation, there's going to be some serious power to be had there, and really, really wake up throttle response and acceleration there too. So again, $299 for our modified heads. Be real happy there. And another cool thing that we're going to be excited to be announcing and be on our website here soon is a lot of our titanium hardware options. Super cool. Got the electric finish in here to give it all the cool colors and whatnot. This is like a secondary bolt and washer, some rear suspension bolts, some body bolts, clutch cover bolts, track adjuster screws, There's going to be a ton of other stuff like that available. So again, this main part of this video was related to all the 9R performance products we've got or we're working on. We'll be loading the website up as quick as we can with most of this stuff as soon as it's available. We're going to be on the snow testing a bunch of this stuff as soon as we can. We've already got some guys riding in Alaska and stuff. But if you got any questions, give us a call, let us know, and we'll see you guys on the snow soon.